Let's take a closer look now at a few items of vocabulary from today's lesson and see how we can use that vocabulary. Here's the first vocabulary, 辣.
辣.
辣 meaning spicy, okay, or hot food. But the problem is in English we use the word hot food to refer to food that's spicy or that's just hot in temperature.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so 辣 just means food that's spicy.
Just spicy.
Okay, do you like? 你喜欢吃辣的吗? Do you like spicy food?
Yeah, I like spicy food. Not too spicy though.
Okay, how would you say not too spicy in Chinese?
不要太辣.
不要太辣. Yeah, not too spicy, please. Okay, let's look at the next one. Here we have 用餐.
用餐.
You know what that means?
No, I've never seen that before.
Okay, have a meal. How would you say to have a meal?
吃饭.
Yeah, 吃饭. You see, 吃饭 is a much more informal way of saying, 我们吃饭吧, let's eat, let's have something. But if you have like an official announcement, or if you're making a phone call to reserve a place at a restaurant, they won't ask you, what time are you going to 吃饭? 几点吃饭? They'll always say, 你几点用餐? It's just a much more formal expression. Okay. Not too formal really, but it's a little bit more formal than 吃饭. Okay? 用餐. 餐 literally means a meal, so to enjoy a meal, to have a meal. 用餐.
用餐.
Okay, here we have an interesting piece of vocabulary, not too difficult. 红茶.
红茶.
The interesting thing is that in English we call it black tea. Or if you've ever had orange pekoe tea, orange pekoe is actually a form of black tea, which is called 红茶, red tea in Chinese. Okay.
红 red.
What other kinds of tea do we have in Chinese?
I really like to drink flower tea, 花茶.
Flower tea, 花茶, okay. What kind of flowers specifically? Because there are many different types.
I like the chrysanthemum, the
菊花茶. How do you say it?
菊花茶.
菊花茶, yeah. Jasmine tea would be 茉莉花茶.
茉莉花茶.
So 花茶 is just flower tea. There could be different kinds of flowers. Anyway, 红茶 is black tea in English. Here's another kind of tea, 绿茶.
绿茶.
Literally green tea. Okay, and of course here we have again this pronunciation 玉 that we don't really have in English. 绿.
绿.
Yeah, 绿茶, green tea. Now there are many different kinds of green tea, like 乌龙茶.
乌龙茶 is green tea?
Green, that's one kind of green tea. Or we have 龙井茶.
龙井茶.
Yeah, these are all various famous kinds of green tea. Green tea is very popular in China. Okay, 绿茶. Here we have 友谊.
友谊.
友谊, friendship. Now the reason we've put this one in our lesson is that it's very important to focus on this tone, 义, fourth tone.
义.
You know, living in Beijing, you sometimes have contact with the local Beijing dialect, which is not the same thing as standard Mandarin. In the Beijing dialect, they'll say 友谊. They'll say it in the second tone. Okay? But it should be 友谊.
友谊.
友谊, friendship.